Thank you for watching. By watching this, you have already helped feed stray cats. Please consider subscribing. You will both learn more about cats and you will help feed stray cats. The number of stray cats worldwide is sometimes estimated to be 480 million. Sadly, many of them do not have anything to eat. Sadly, some say that they should not be fed due to the risk of overpopulation. But starving cats to death is an outrageous proposal. It is truly outrageous. FeedStrayCats.com combats this. The organization feeds and advocates the feeding of stray cats, combined with taking responsibility for the cat or cats that you are feeding. Please read more at FeedStrayCats.com, where you can also subscribe on Twitter, Facebook, and more. Again, please do consider helping by subscribing. The little things add up. It doesn't cost you anything out of pocket, so it is a fantastic way to help. And it honestly really does help a lot, so thank you. Spread love. And try to do good regardless of what life throws at you.